So let's go release it. Woo! So how did you guys enjoy your experience?
Oh, I enjoy it. Awesome.
So we're gonna go to the left, we're gonna find a place to drop our traps, then we're gonna come back this way to the right to the Granville Island. And of course we have the Canada flag waving in the air to the left. And we have a beach to the right. I have a tradition on the boat. Whoever's on the boat has to kiss the fish heads. Just wondering if I could use this dock to dock for an hour.
Yeah, as long as you're at the finger docks, you're good to go.
The update, we are here at Granville Island. It's all about Granville Island is the vibes. So here's a little bit of the shops. Here's a meat shop. Armando's finest quality meats. Best donuts in town?
Yep.
Let's check out the donuts. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah. The thing about outside is watch out for seagulls. Really? The birds will eat the food. Here we go. Come aboard the vessel. Okay, ladies in the front, you get the VIP seat. Okay, there's the life vest over there. So this is English Bay to the left. And then this is Vanier Park. So we're actually at Kitsilano right now. So we're gonna go to the left, we're gonna find a place to drop our traps, then we're gonna come back this way to the right to the Granville Island. So coming out of the harbor, there's the speed limit. You see the white buoy in the front? We can only go a certain speed till we pass that point. But we won't be venturing too far. Just enough to get deep enough to drop some traps. The goal today is not to take too many crabs home. It's more about the experience. And of course, we have the Canada flag waving in the air to the left. And we have a beach to the right. Welcome to BC, and now we got the BC weather. We're probably gonna get some rain. If you're not having fun, then you're not doing it right, right? So this is my life, this is my recreation, this is my everything. How you doing over there? Good? Good. Okay, bait of choice, we have turkey necks, and then we have salmon heads. I have a tradition on the boat. Whoever's on the boat has to kiss the fish heads. There you go. This has lead in it, so it goes down. Otherwise, if it floats, the boats will cut their propeller. So this is the float. So yeah, you're supposed to write your name and phone number on there. And that is all. So we got different types. We got the cage earlier, and we got the hanger, and this time we're gonna go for a net. There's magic on. Normally what we do is we drop our traps and then we go fishing. Then we come back in case you don't get fish. Right? If you want guaranteed, you go to the store. You know, this is for recreation. You don't have the experience, right?
Yung fishing, banda ka doon.
You can fish here if you want, but some places are more productive than others. So the real BC experience would be to get you a salmon, because a salmon, that's something only known in certain areas of the world, and this is one of them.
So you're also buying that bait, huh?
No, this is from my catches.
Ah, okay.
And some of the fish gets really big. You see how the size of the head? And look at the tail, right?
Yeah, yeah. What is that? Also salmon?
Yep, this is all salmon. They're trapping. So you don't have to go far. Like, look at us. This is the Burrard Bridge, and we're here already. We only took 3 minutes to get here. They have fireworks here every year. Celebration. I think it was Philippines. It was Philippines that won this year. They had a
competition.
Yeah, competition. Who wants to kiss the fish head? Nobody? This is it. We are done. Okay, you see that buoy, the red buoy?
Yeah.
That's a channel marker.
Oh.
If you go on this side, it's shallow. If you go on that side, it's deeper. So you want to go, the rule of thumb is red, right, return. So you have to keep that on your right, you'll be safe. You can also do some whale watching if you guys want to watch some whales. There you go. Yee-hoo! So there it is, Granville Island. Beautiful. And here's the backdrop. Beautiful place. Experiencing Vancouver on the water.
Via water.
Via water. Maganda. For my magandang guests. Okay, let me make a call.
Security.
Hi, I'm at the Granville Island. I'm just wondering if I could use this dock to dock for an hour.
Yeah, as long as you're at the finger docks, you're good to go.
Yeah, I'm right in front of. Yeah, okay, perfect. It says because the sign says I have to register. So.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, as long as you're at the finger docks and not the two long docks.
Oh yeah, perfect. That's it. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
So there's always live music around here. The update, we are here at Granville Island and we are docked right over there somewhere. And I called security, it's all good, totally allowed. So I can't wait to go show my visitors a day trip to Vancouver. Here's one of them right now. Ate Lailai, how are you enjoying the trip? What do you think of Granville Island?
Perfect.
Perfect? So yeah, here we are. We're gonna go check it out. Welcome to Granville Island.
Love that, yeah.
Oh, I missed it. Love the vibes in here, eh?
Yeah.
Here we are. Look at all the assorted foods. I love the vibes. It's all about Granville Island is the vibes. So a lot of the stuff over here, there's artisan bakeries, produce shops, meat shop, stuff like that. Right?
All local.
Yeah, all local stuff. So the market is over here, but we should probably eat first, right? So here's a little bit of the shops. Here's a meat shop over here. Granville Island's finest meats. Armando's finest quality meats. All right. I'm just have visitors from the Philippines, so we're touring them around. Yeah. Welcome. Welcome to Canada. So are those Filipino skewers over there? Is that what I see?
Yeah, right there.
Hey. Lamb kebab. Beautiful. Brian's in front of the famous donuts.
And the butter crunch?
What do you got going here, Brian?
I don't know, I'm just trying a selection.
So you're kind of a donut connoisseur, right?
No.
No? Best donuts in town?
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
12 different flavors. Let's check out the donuts. Ooh. at that. Right over there.
Tail.
I didn't even get to take a picture yet.
Hey, look at that. There you go.
So, just saying. Yeah.
Just saying.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Conversation about donuts.
About donuts? Here it is. It's a sign, guys.
Yes, it really is.
Perfect vibe for it, too. Surely you didn't buy all those for yourself. No. No? Okay. Where'd they go?
Not for you though.
Let's go.
Kala ko, tropa mo yun eh.
Who? No, the thing about Canadians, they're friendly people here. You can say hi to anybody. Look at all the fine foods around. Smells delicious. Love it. Love walking around here. Can we get a few slices of ham? Why don't you have a little bit of turkey and a little bit of the beef?
Sure.
Ooh, what's rotating over there?
That's the one that the turkey.
Oh, is that what you're selling over there?
Exactly.
Wow.
Tsaka beef jerky.
Beef jerky, gusto niyo di pa?
Beautiful. Okay, up next we have the turkey. Oh, the jerky. Beautiful. Did you make that yourself?
No.
No, no. Okay. Awesome. That's gonna be good. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Exactly. You have it on.
I get lucky.
You got practice.
Get lucky.
Oh yeah. Great. Whoa.
That's everything.
I mean, the sign says delicious ham, so it must be good, right? You got anything to say about your store here?
That's all I have to do for you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Are you Armando himself?
No, I'm the nephew.
The nephew. Okay, all right.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. Shout out to Armando's
I will.
finest meats.
It's in a holiday right now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go. We have some fine meats from Armando's finest quality meats since 1983. Take a look what kind of lunch we're gonna eat today. Chow mein. Okay. So that one will have the fish. I'm gonna go for this noodle here, the Shanghai fried noodle.
Yep. And which two items do you want?
I'm gonna try the vegetables right there, the green bean, ground pork. I'll try the honey garlic pork, and then I'll try the barbecue pork too. Let's go outside. The thing about outside is watch out for seagulls. The birds will eat the food. Okay guys, we're gonna go, we switch passengers. My mom's coming along for the ride for the first time. Everybody put on their life vests, please. Okay, Ma. Welcome to the boat. I know you've never been on the boat, so let's make it special. Bye, Granville Island. Goodbye. So this is the Burrard Street Bridge, and the one behind us is Granville Street Bridge. Okay, there you guys go. 2 traps, or 1 trap, 2 crabs. But yeah, don't be fooled though. It's not that easy. It's not always a catch. I just have lucky passengers.
Not bad.
Not bad. Here we go. Another one. Hey! So I'm using this thing called the Easy Puller, guys. I'm gonna leave that link below so you can try it if you guys like. It's totally manual, but it doesn't scratch the boat. Oh, we got some! Oh, looks like all small.
You have only one.
Nope. Okay, 1 left, guys. Wish us luck. What do we got? Let's see it. Oh, there's more, but I don't know. Whew. There's the last one, guys. See you next year. We got 2. There you guys go. 2 crabs for our effort today. Paid a day pass for non-resident. It was about $7.50 Canadian dollars. So yeah, $7.50. That's not bad. That's 2 crabs for our efforts, and we're gonna go get the boat. We only probably dropped it for less than 2 hours, but hey, a yield's a yield, and you know how it is. It's fishing, not catching. And more importantly, we were able to share some moments, especially with new passengers on the boat. I got my mom on the boat, which is pretty cool as well. First time on this boat. Anyway, she enjoyed it, and we enjoyed the day, and here we are, preparing to leave Vanier. So how did you guys enjoy your experience?
Oh, I enjoy it. Awesome.
How about you, Ma? How did you enjoy that?
I'm okay.
You're okay. So yeah, clearly not that special for these people. But hey, it was special for me, and I hope it was you guys enjoyed that. If you haven't yet, please do like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know if you guys can see this, but over there, there it is. Surfacing orca whales.
There are 2 of them. When a salmon bite it, then it's really...
It's gonna go boom, 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 boom.
Wow.
Yeah, we got one. Tito, here, it's yours. Take it, take it. Reel. Don't stop. Don't stop. Keep your balance. I'll let you know when to slow down, okay? But you gotta keep the tension. Yeah, keep the tension. Slow down. Slow down. Don't stop reeling. Yeah! We got one, Tito! Woo! High five! That last bite is always fierce, and we finally got one on the last go. Just hold the tail firmly. Come over here, look at me. Yep. 3.
Yeah, I got one!
You gotta move the water inside his gills and his mouth. There you go. Woo! High five! High five, let's go! Woo!